Hi, my name is Samira, and I'm gonna be doing "Set Fire to the Rain." I hope you like it. Enjoy. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I say fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burn, will I cry? 'Cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I'm with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. And the things you say that were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I say goodbye to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burn, will I cry? 'Cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I say fire to the rain, and I feel into the face. When it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door. That heart you call must be waiting for you. Even love and the already over. I can't help myself from looking for you. I'm set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burn, when I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I say fire to the rain, and I feel it into the face. When it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time. And that was my dance. Thank you for watching.